Yeah, it's recording now. Outside of Shorty's, Firework stands on fire, and they're going off everywhere. This is too funny. Where's the window thing? Where's my window?
Get the fuck out of here, seriously.
Oh my gosh.
Like, there might be big firecrackers.
Holy shit.
I don't think we should stay here. I think we should
Back off. Back it off. Oh my god. Oh, this is too funny. Oh my gosh. Holy shit.
Do you think I should turn around?
No, dude, we gotta watch this. Shit like this don't happen every day. This is too funny.
Oh dear God.
Oh my god, back up, back up, back up, back up.
I told you it was gonna get bad.
Oh my god.
I think I want to turn around. Shorty's is gonna catch on fire. Look, he's even backing up.
Oh, we gotta go. If the cops are leaving Kim, we got to go.
Well, I can't turn around now. This before I turn around. Come on, let me back up.
Wow. Redneck problems. Oh my god.
We're behind this here, but I think we're okay.
This is too funny.
Oh my God, you don't even
This is freaking hysterical. Do you know how big that fireworks stand was?
No, I didn't see it.
Oh my, I came by there. There was like
Someone's out
a
of shit.
bajillion fireworks. Oh my gosh, this is hysterical.
That car went by. Is he fucking stupid?
Oh my gosh.
He's gonna get arrested.
Oh yeah.
He's gonna stop him.
Wow.
I'm gonna turn around. You think I'm allowed?
I don't know.
Like, what do you think? I don't even think I can get around. Well, this guy's wanting to turn around too. So I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna tell him I feared for my safety.
Yeah.
Everybody's wanting to like turn around.
Wow.